Okay, so I was in the attic and saw a bird. I'm gonna take you guys up there.
Oh, I don't want to go up there.
Too bad.
Should we close the door?
No, keep it on. It's really hot up here. I'm never showing my butt. Okay. It's hot up here.
It might have went. Shit, did you guys hear that?
What?
I'm not even fucking lying.
What?
Just heard something.
It was here.
Maybe there's like a vent where they go in and out.
Dude.
Is this going on YouTube even if not?
Yeah. Okay. So, yeah. Should be here. Wait. Did you see it?
No, but I heard it.
Did you get it on camera?
No, I don't think so.
If you guys heard that, that was a bird. You have birds up here.
Do you want to go closer?
No, you can go. I'm not going in
Hold-
the camera.
Hold my hand. Oh shit, I think I just got on camera.
Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go!
No, but I don't know if I got on camera.
Go!
No, sister, don't go out. Ah! I just got it.
We're not! Hurry!
Lily.
Shut off the door! So you just saw us find a bird.
I think so.
Yes!
Hold on, let me